So before you judge, seek first to understand. Before criticizing or belittling or putting down, or before being contemptuous or talking above somebody, seek first to understand. That's one of the prime directives of raising our vibration and relationship, peace, love, harmony, and feeling happy and connected together and going forward instead of going backwards and fighting drama loops of hurt, pain, and triggers and shadow and pain body and all of that. So remember that. Seek to understand before judging or criticizing or putting down. And one way is to try and imagine yourself in the other person's shoes. Imagine yourself being them, what it feels like to be in their body, physical discomfort or pain or whatever. And imagine, try and figure out and imagine and empathize what they might be thinking or feeling. It's a different world from another person's perspective because we all come from different pasts, and we view and feel things very, very differently, at different times, even for the similar situation. So if we can learn to put ourselves in the shoes of another person, we really will create so much more peace and harmony within our own emotional and vibrational and mental and even physiological state, everyone, truly. Anxiety, for example, if you keep thinking angry or anxiety thoughts, you can get pain in your stomach very fast, So it's very important to find your own heart, to be heart-centered, be empathizing centered, to focus on connection and nurture. But in this video, just to focus on understanding and empathizing with other people, your loved ones, your partner, the people who trigger you the most. For me, it'd be my partner, and it'd also be my mum, but way more my partner than my mum. So they're my teachers. Everyone and everything are your teachers, but the biggest teachers are those who trigger you the most, and are often who are the most different to you, because they challenge your beliefs, your belief systems, your viewpoints. So allow and love and be grateful for your teachers. It can also be the challenging and triggering situations in your life. Stuff like the job you don't want, that you feel stuck in, or the health, the body you feel stuck in that you don't like. That happened to me, a massive teacher in my life. But if you learn to thank your teachers and to be grateful, even in your heart, but even verbally too, I've done that, I do that, to love and appreciate, to acknowledge, because at the end of the day, soul family come down in clusters of hundreds, if not thousands at the same time. And throughout their life, we gradually meet them, and we all have important roles in our lives, in each other's lives at every time. So you actually are other people's teachers too, don't forget that. So we all have a worthy and valuable role of student-teacher. And stepping out of our own brain, our own mind, our own indoctrination from society and culture, and being willing to, being open to learn and look through the eyes, the heart, the mind, the body of another person is very awakening, very opening, and definitely helps to raise our own frequency and vibration, and definitely helps to hugely awaken and open our heart. So we will expand and we will evolve, and this is beautiful, and I love this so much more than almost anything in life. I really love connection, and in this video we talk about connection to other people, connection to other people's hearts, and connection to our own heart, and connection to our own higher self, our own higher light, the light within us, the connection. Right now I'm connected with Mama Nature, Mama and Papa, and I'd highly recommend getting it in nature too. So everyone, I love yous all, and it's my intention to make shorter videos these days of approximately 3 minutes approximately, in around that. Could be 2, could be 1, could be 5, but I hope you like these videos, and I hope you subscribe and share with other people to help encourage and to promote and to foster, to nurture the awakening of the planet, because good things are coming, in my opinion, and they're already happening enormously. So keep it rolling and help support the movement of higher vibrations. And leave any questions or comments below. Make sure you hit the bell button, please, so you get notified of my future videos. Make sure you get them instead of missing them. It's a new feature on YouTube. Befriend me on Facebook and Twitter. The links are below. Maybe even Instagram. And also, personal message me if you need to. I love to help. I also do consultations, and I also have a herb store called Higher Self Herbs, for herbs and enzymes and superfoods to nurture us on all levels: body, mind, spirit, emotion. So I'll leave you with that, and thanks again, and look forward to seeing you again in the end of the video.